Alright, so today we are doing an undercut haircut. As you can see, I've got the top sectioned off. I've sectioned off from the temple all the way back. And what I'm doing is I'm going through, and you can see right there, I'm holding with my comb the overhang part, the part that's going to overhang the undercut part. And I'm just taking my clippers, I've got the shortest guard on, and holding that underneath with the comb so that I don't accidentally cut it, and just going through with the clippers and cutting everything underneath. Once we've established the undercut section, then we will address the overhang section. So, as you can see right now, I'm just going through and removing all of the bulk on the undercut section. I will go through, clean up the outline, fade out the outline, so there's more of a cleaner blend throughout the outline. And then again, like I said, we will then address the overhang section, basically going through, slicing out, removing weight, making it more chunky, making it more textured. We don't want a bowl cut, right? We don't want to do an undercut that the hair just hangs over like a bowl. So what we want to do is go through and slice out a lot of the weight just to give it some texture and make the hair have more of a different type of look to it than, as I mentioned, a bowl type texture. So we're going to go through and remove a lot of that weight and slice through it so it just makes it nice and fun with a bunch of texture. Now, as you can see, I've got the clippers now in my hand without the guard. I'm just going through the outline to clean up the outline, to blend in the outline a little bit more. So that first guard that we used, the red guard that I just had on there a second ago, took it down as short as possible without a guard. Now we're just going to go through and blend in the rest of the outline. Alright, so now that we've completed the undercut section, it's time to do the above the undercut section. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and blow dried the hair. And right now what I'm doing is just sharpening up and strengthening the outline on this top section that's going to hang down over the undercut section. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm just going through and layering the top section. This is the section that overhangs the undercut section. What we want to do is layer it so it's a lot more lighter, a lot less heavy, a lot more chunky and textured versus bulky and thick. So once we finish this, we will be all done with the haircut. We've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this haircut, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.